Hello class 9, welcome back dear student. This is the video number 4 of chapter number 2, tissue. In this particular video we will study about complex permanent tissue. As you know that the permanent tissue is of two types, simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. So we are already study about the simple permanent tissue having the parenchyma, collenchyma and scalenchyma type of tissue. And in this video the complex permanent tissue are discussed. So let us see about the complex permanent tissue. The complex permanent tissue are of two types, xylem or wood and phloem or bast. Means the complex permanent tissue is divided into two parts, xylem tissue and phloem tissue. The xylem tissue and phloem tissue are collectively known as vascular tissue or vascular bundles. Vascular bundles inside the plants. So the vascular bundles help in the transportation of water and food. So xylem and phloem is collectively known as vascular tissue or vascular bundle. Let us see about the xylem tissue. Xylem is a conducting tissue and they are having the four type of cells. Xylem having four type of cells. Number one, tracheids. Second, vessels or tracheae. Third is xylem parenchyma and fourth one is the xylem scalenchyma or fiber. Out of these four type of xylem cell, the three tracheids, vessels and parenchyma are dead tissue. Only the xylem scalenchyma are living. Okay. See, the vessels are most important, tube-like structure. Tracheids are elongated with tapering ends. Xylem parenchyma store food and helps in lateral conduction of water. And fibers are supportive in function. So these are the special function of four type of xylem cells, okay, or xylem tissue. Actually, xylem tissue carry minerals and water upward from the roots. They provide the waters to the aerial part or leaf of the plant for the photosynthesis. So xylem is important for the carrying of water. The second type of complex permanent tissue is the phloem tissue, which is also known as bast. Okay, they are the tube-like structures and they also are four type. The name of the four type of phloem tissue is number one, seed tube, then companion cell, then phloem parenchyma and then phloem fiber. Phloem fibers is also known as bast fiber. Out of these four type of phloem tissue, the three tissues, seed tube, companion cells and phloem parenchyma are living cells. They are the living, okay, and only phloem fibers are the non-living. Seed tubes are tubular cell having seed plates. Companion cells are associated with seed tube and perforated. They having the numerous pore. Phloem parenchyma thin walled and they help in the storage of food and conduction of food, whereas the phloem fibers are thick walled. They provide the mechanical strength to the plant and they having very good economic importance. They also known as bast fiber, and so many fiber of just like jute fiber, hemp fiber, flax fibers are obtained by phloem fibers. So they are the economic important. They having the good economic importance. So this is the two type of complex permanent tissue, xylem and phloem. You can also see the figure in your NCERT book and see the figure of xylem tissue and phloem tissue with the help of my notes. See, this is the different type of xylem tissue. You can see that. Okay, these are the vessels, tracheid, different type of xylem tissue, and these are the different type of phloem tissue. Okay, this is the figure of phloem tissue. You can get this figure in your NCERT book also, and the notes I will provide you with the study materials. So this is the structure of xylem and phloem tissue and description about the complex permanent tissue. And this is all about the video number 4. In the next video, video number 5, we will study about the protective tissue.